Hi and hello everyone. So, as it is a long break, I am planning to help you on Unit 4, which is called as Optical Properties of Material. So, first topic we are going to see is different kind of material which will behave when light ray is incident on those kind of materials. So, generally we will classify this material as three types, which is transparent, translucent and opaque. So first one, if you see from the diagram, which is a transparent material. So transparent material is such that, so this one is a transparent material. So transparent material, if you see, it will allow all the lights whichever get passed through into this kind of material. And second one is a translucent material in which light will pass through, but you can partially see the other side of the material, which is here. Tiles is there, and you can see the partial image of those tiles. So on third one, which is the opaque, like concrete or wood block, if you take, you cannot see whatever is present behind this. So which is a tile here, and you cannot see the tile in those material. So these are the material which will normally classify according to the transmission of light in those kind of materials. So first one is transparent, translucent and opaque. So we can say the example for transparent material, such as for transparent, if you take like glass or water, or one of those best example for the transparent lights. Okay, so second one, which is the translucent. Translucent material like smoke or fog or something like colloidal gel. So those are certain examples for the translucent material. So third kind we will going to see is the opaque. So opaque means it will not allow any of those light which is present behind those kind of material. So like wood block or concrete or any other example such as bricks. So these are some kind of example for the opaque material. So I think or also metals, you can also take metals. So these are the examples for all those three materials. I think you got those properties of interaction with material, interaction with the light. So that's all for today, and thank you.